$3,550 US in 24 hours in one day with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So in this video, if you stay until the end and now subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will receive exactly step by step what I did to make $3,550 US, as you can see here on my screen, right, with this affiliate program. So let's go straight into it, right? So the first thing I did over here, you will be able to see, right, is, as you can see over here, right, generate leads. Now, who are leads? Leads are people like me and you, people who are in the niches like weight loss, make money online, car insurance, solar panel, dog training, whatever, right? Relationship, dating, marriage niche. So all these things, the niches where it's full of pain and problems to solve. So what I do is basically I generate leads using Google Ads. More about Google Ads later, but now I want you to realize something, right? If you're going to build online passive income using ClickBank, MaxWeb, or any other CPA or COD affiliate networks, what you have to realize is you need to have a system done for you in place that's going to generate leads, right? To build your own email list, email asset, right? So imagine this. When you're running ads, you are out there on a rented space, okay? This is rented space. You are paying the money to Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, or Google, right? In order to be able to have your mini shop there, to display your ads. But once the Google, YouTube, or ClickBank, or Facebook gets angry with you, they shut you down, so you lose your income. Now, in other hand, you can own your own land as a real estate, as a property, right? You own it, so that's your own email list, right? An email list can put you a fortune, lots of money, lots of affiliate commissions if you know what you're doing, and if you have someone who will guide you through step by step, one-on-one, and hand holding you along the way as you go further, right? So as we move forward now, by now you should realize that having leads is very important thing, right? And then the second thing is having the right offer. So let me show you exactly how we do this, all right? Let's go straight into it. Also, as you can see over here on my screen, right, the first thing is the buyer's intent. That's the magic. So what's the buyer's intent? Buyer's intent is basically understanding who are the people that you are promoting the product to. For example, weight loss supplement on ClickBank, right? If you understand your audience is 35 to 65 years old, and let's say they live in USA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Ireland, UK, or Germany, Switzerland, whatever, right? Those top tier countries, you can do the research, 15 minutes research, which most lazy affiliates won't do, right? To know exactly what kind of keyword search they are using, and also what kind of products they bought 35 to 60 days ago, right? 2 months ago, before you presented your ads. Why is this important? Because if those people bought a supplement 2 months ago, it means they are already in the niche. You don't have to persuade them. You don't have to use any kind of hard sales tricks. No, they're already in niche. They're buying, right? They're buying the products that you're offering. So simply what you're doing is you put your landing page in front of the eyes of the buyers, right? People who are the buyers before they make a buying decision. Now, you see, now, by now you should realize that when they are buying, when they are making this buying decision now, right? You don't have to convince them. No trick is going to work. They're already in the mindset, the pre-framed to be a buyer, right? So the higher the intent, the higher the chance or probability they're going to buy the product. All right? So very important thing. Now, what is your main goal? If you want to make $10,000 or 10,000 euros minimum per week, per month, you have to understand the easiest way to eat an elephant is to do it piece by piece. All right, so you want to make $10,000 per month? Great. Now, chunk it down to smaller pieces, all right? Smaller pieces. Let's make it by day. If you want to make $10,000 per month, you have to do the goal day by day. How much per day? you need to make in order to have $10,000 per month? Easy. Do the math, simple math. $350 per day. If you're making $350 per day, you're making more than $10,000 per month. Okay, now ask yourself, if I wanna make $300 per day, what do I need to do? I need to sell something. I need to generate leads, right? I need to get commissions. All right. So what I can sell, what I can promote as a marketer to make 3 sales a day. If the company pays me $100 per day per sale, it means I need minimum 3 sales per day. 3 sales per day is quite easy. 3 sales a day is not 3,000 sales a day. It's 3 sales only. And only $100, not $10,000, right? So, if you're making 3 sales a day, you're making $10,000 per month. All right. Next thing is simple math. We are using Google Ads again. Why? Because of buyer's intent. And let's say our Google ad budget is set at $25 per day per ad campaign, right? And how we monetize on the back end with email marketing, with our own email list on the back end. So we make money on the front end and also make big money on the back end with our email list, right? So all this works really perfectly and simple once you have someone who will guide you through and hand holding you along the way to get the results that you desire. All right. So we have different stages of awareness. Many gurus on ClickBank are not sharing this with you, right? Because you have 5 stages. You have unaware audiences, and this is the biggest mistake many affiliates on ClickBank make. And then they say this is a scam, it doesn't work, because they don't understand. They're selling, for example, they're selling or promoting, let's call it promoting, we are not selling, we are marketing. Let's say you're promoting an iPhone to Samsung buyers, right? You can put 50% discount, you can put the best graphics, you can put the most persuaded NLP copy out there, but if the person is unaware about iPhone, they will not buy iPhone, right? So you're promoting the wrong audiences. That's usually the problem. You have a wrong offer, wrong audience, and that's why losing tons of cash, tons of money, and tons of time, which is really stupid and crazy, but it's not your fault. Or see, it's not your fault. I'm not blaming you in this video, because maybe you heard something, maybe you watched some YouTube video, maybe you even bought some crazy expensive course on ClickBank, alright? And it's not your fault. What I would do if I were you is I would go under product aware and most aware audiences. So who are product aware? Let me give you a simple example. Product aware audiences are people who are already aware iPhone exists and they know that in the next 2 or 3 months it's going to come out the new version, right? So they are in the buying intent, they are in the buying mode, right? They already made a decision, they're going to buy the iPhone, right? They have the money, they have a credit card, they have the cash on hand, but they don't know in which shop they're going to go. So they see your ad, they see your headline, they see your copy, they see your website, and they buy through you. And you, my friend, you make 50% or 80% commission as an affiliate on ClickBank when someone buys from you. So that's how it works. Do you see why lots of people are losing money? Because they are here. They are at this stage. They are promoting to unaware audiences or maybe problem aware audiences, right? They know they have a problem, but they don't know they need a solution yet. They know they are going to get cancer or diabetes very, very soon, but they don't know yet, right? They're not yet concerned too much with that. So they don't go to gym, they don't buy health supplements, they don't buy expensive coaching, right? Or expensive health treatments, because they are not aware that solution exists, right? So the best thing you can do watching the video right now is go after most aware and product aware audiences. It's simple as that. Super affiliates, we never waste our money and time with ads on problem aware or unaware audiences. Unaware, it's a waste of time. waste of money as well, right? So the best thing you can do is go under most aware and product aware audiences. Now, if you're watching this video, I know maybe this is confusing to you. Maybe you don't know how to set up your landing page on ClickFunnels, how to set up your ad campaign on Google, what offer to promote, because there are tons of different offers out there, right? And I understand you, I used to be there, I know how it feels. But if you want to get results, right, because I know you're smart, because you are watching video right now, otherwise you would not be still here listening to my voice now. Yeah, if you want to get results, what you can do next is you can connect with me over here, as you can see, one-on-one. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can like this video, and you can join my private email list for hot tips and guiding along the way, right? So subscribe to my YouTube channel now, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, where you can simply connect with me. So how? Over here you can see this is my IG. You can find me over here, right? You can subscribe to me, you can DM me. If you want to take affiliate marketing, make money online, space passive income, recurring income, commissions very, very seriously, right? If you want to have this kind of results, as you can see here on my page, right? If you really want to do this, let me know, okay? Just let me know after watching this video, let me know, and I will personally help you to start having this kind of results, as you can see here on my page, right? Without having to waste tons of money and time on something that is outdated, that doesn't work, that's full of complication and stress. So stress-free life, where you can go and wake up in the morning and don't have to be stressed out about what's going on, is my ad account going to get shut down and stuff like that. No. So if you simply want to have these kind of results, do let me know, okay? And after watching this video, connect with me one-on-one.